Cabin crew, place the doors to automatic and cross-check, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments we'll be showing you a video highlighting the safety features on this Boeing 767. It's important as all that you listen and watch carefully. Please now remove your headphones. Then after this safety briefing, all portable handheld electronic data devices must be now set to flight safe mode, switched off, stowed away, facing to rockets. Larger laptops must be switched off completely. Any other transmit devices does not have flight safe mode enabled, they must be switched off for the duration of the flight. Also, ladies and gentlemen, in passenger seat next to a window seat, so please make sure the window blind is in a fully open position. Also, ladies and gentlemen, this is a non-smoking flight. The video will not reflect these changes.
So you're here to audition for a part in the British Airways safety information video. Can you just look into the camera and give your name, please?
Hi, I'm Chiwetel Ejiofor.
And have you done any safety videos before?
No, only feature films.
Well, this could be your big break, okay, mate? So don't mess it up. Shall we get one in the can, guys? Okay, action!
We will now demonstrate the safety features on this aircraft, and your attention is essential, as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before.
Bit of a show off.
Take care your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exit. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone, especially if there's a bag full of duty-free goods, darling.
Actually, that was meant for Joanna Longley.
Muppet. Sorry. In case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking absolutely nothing with you. And I mean nothing.
Smashed it.
All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide.
Neat little mouthpiece. There's also a charming whistle and light combination for attracting attention, should you be one of those people who enjoys attention. And please, very obviously, do not inflate your lovely life jacket until you've actually left the aircraft, at which point, toggle up, inflate away, and whistle all you like.
Okay, please now ensure that your seat is yourself.
Smoking is not permitted anywhere whilst on board, and this includes the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. E-cigarettes are not permitted either.
Oh, and wizard pipes, eh?
Oh, good point, yes. Wizard pipes are completely out.
In the unlikely event of the aircraft having to make an emergency landing, you will be told to adopt this protective brace position. If facing rearwards in Club World, you must adopt this position. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of the doors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
Great, very intense. I love the soured face. Maybe we could try the next bit just a little less serious. It's not X-Files, it's not aliens about. Just chill out, yeah?
Thank you.
Brilliant, thank you, Gillian.
You'll also find the Flying Start donation envelope in your seat area. So if you've got any spare change in any currency, find it, take it out, and put it in the envelope. Please.
Is that rubbish?
Spot on. Okay, that's a wrap.
On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and Flying Start,
Thank you for your attention and your kind donations.
Every penny of which will help children all over the world.
Living really tough lives.
If you have any questions or you can't find your safety card,
Or Flying Start envelope.
Please ask one of your gorgeous cabin crew members.
Have an enjoyable flight.